crypto holders, pay attention because 99% of you guys are going to get wrecked. This is a warning. With that said, this is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. Let's get right into it. So, from a technical standpoint, we have so much to talk about for the Bitcoin price. So, the price of Bitcoin is around 23,500. As I said, from the FOMC meeting, we did expect a 25 basis points and we got a 25 basis points. But what I did get wrong is I thought we would see an immediate pump from the Bitcoin price to 25,000. It is clearly not happening. As you guys can see, we did manage to pump all the way up to 24,200 before dipping. Why is that? Well, there was some money to grab according to the liquidity pool. This is why if we take a look at the Bitcoin liquidations, 93% of long positions was liquidated. And if you look in the past 24 hours, overall in the crypto market, $128 million liquidated. This is a warning, guys. Please be careful. As I said, this is why I make daily Bitcoin analysis, just to let you guys know. Also, if we take a look at the Fear and Greed Index or indicator, it is showing us a greed, a 60, which is a greed. So everyone did get bullish from the news, but the Bitcoin price did not, for some reason, pump as I thought it would. Now, looking at the EMA 250 from the weekly, it looks like we are getting close to forming a death cross. But on the daily time frame, it looks like we are also looking to create a golden cross right here. So as of right now, the Bitcoin price is still unsure of what it wants to do. If we take a closer look at the 4-hour time frame, this is very concerning because we did manage to pump just a little bit with low volume. And then when we got high volume right here, guys, we got high volume right here, we could not push up to 25,000. The Bitcoin price could not rally up. Now looking even closer, what do we see forming right here on the 4-hour time frame? A bullish divergence, or not a bullish divergence, a bearish divergence. As you guys can see, the RSI is creating lower highs, but the price of Bitcoin is going up in price. So this is very concerning right now. Please be careful because there's going to be a lot of volatility. We may see an immediate pump to 25,000, and then we're going to touch it just for a couple minutes, and then maybe a dump back down, or we can easily grab some money here, liquidate long or short positions, and then start wrecking the long positions right here later on. So what does this mean? Well, we may see a correction before we see an actual pump because we are creating a bearish divergence, as you guys can see. But there is some good news and some hope. The S&P 500 did break out from the news. It is above right now, and we do have a few days left. We have, what is that? We have 3 days before the weekly candle closes. 3 or 4 days before the weekly candle closes. If it closes above, this means that this is bullish for stocks and the crypto market, meaning we're going to see a pump from Bitcoin. So we have this to hope for the Bitcoin price. There is so much going on right now. It seems like all the indicators are all over the place. We're creating bearish divergence, but the S&P 500 is bullish. We broke out of it. If you take a look, we do have some money to grab right here, and it looks like we can somehow pump maybe in the next few days right here, but overall right now is not a good time to enter positions. I'm just going to wait and be cautious because anything can happen within a few hours. This is why I'm saying please be careful, guys, because 99% of you guys are going to get wrecked. Now, right here, guys, looking at the EMA, we are still not bullish just yet. We need to hit the 25 to be considered bullish on the Bitcoin price. That means a $25,000 Bitcoin. The chances of that happening is, I would say, a 50% chance just because we are creating a bearish divergence. Also, we cannot manage to pump above 24,200. We struggled right here, guys. We briefly touched it. There was wicks right here, as you guys can see, liquidating these long positions, or short positions, I should say, short positions right here. This is why I said we need to be careful. But as you guys can see, the price is sitting around 23,400. It looks like it can make its way back up, but we will find out in the next couple of hours. This is why I'm saying, please be careful, crypto holders. Do not get wrecked. But overall, what do we know from the Bitcoin price? Well, we do have some indicators showing us it is bullish still. On the daily time frame, it looks like we are creating a golden cross. Also, we are right here bullish as of right now because the S&P 500 is above. As you guys can see, it did break out, and as long as it keeps above this descending line on the weekly time frame and closes, well, we should consider this a bullish indicator. But we also have some bearish indicators. As you guys can see, a bearish divergence forming. It did struggle from the news, as you guys know from the FOMC meetings. Well, what happened when we found out about the news of the interest rates? Well, later on that day, during the night, the price did manage to pump or dump based off what happened. But this time it was different. Nothing really happened. It was steady, I would say. As you guys can see overall right here, it was just steady. It seemed like it was just consolidating, which is very concerning because volume was very low right here. And then we picked up volume, but didn't manage to pump to 25,000 for whatever reason. Maybe just to liquidate people on long positions, because as you guys know, from the meeting, there was a lot of people that entered long positions because they thought the price of Bitcoin was going to rally up to 25,000, 26, around that area, which is why we have $128 million liquidated in the past 24 hours, and 93% of it being from long positions. This is why I said you need to be careful because there is a lot of manipulations in the crypto market right now, especially with these Bitcoin whales moving money like crazy, trying to bring the price down to liquidate long positions. Guys, please be careful. But all I wanted to say is just to let you guys know, be careful. We do have some bullish indicators, but we also have some bearish indicators forming, as you guys can see. With that said, take the information however you want. I'm not a financial advisor. With that said, DC trading. Go check out this video right now. Hit the like button and subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. Peace.